Hey everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me here in the studio. Today's topic is product selection. The most important part of importing from China is making sure whatever you sell, whether you're selling on Amazon or eBay or your own website, whatever you decide to sell, it needs to be something of value, something that people want to buy. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So glad to have you here once again. My name is Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to import, how to run an online business, 15 years now. But importing has been very close to my heart now for the last about 10 years. I used to import a lot of different products. I used to help people import from China. I used to teach people how to go find products, find suppliers, all that kind of stuff. And today's topic is all about that. It's about finding a product that you want to import from China, and whether it's selling on Amazon or whether you're selling on eBay, doesn't matter. But whatever you decide to bring in, it's got to be something that the world needs, and that's the point. That's something I actually mentioned in my book here, guys. It's whatever you choose. It can't just be local. And I had a few people come to me and they say, Alex, I want to import this little thing. It's locally produced. It's very farmer market sort of thing, where it's like nothing. Everything's made in China these days. Everything, it's all made by machines. Well, this isn't. This is like a hand knitted little garment thing made for dogs, but it's an upmarket thing, and people want their they want the handmade stuff these days. And I said, great, well, where are you going to sell this? It says, we'll sell it in Australia, and it's probably local area sort of thing. And I said, listen, if you launch an Amazon business and you're trying to sell that on Amazon or eBay, your market is pretty much that. It's limited, all right? It's limited. For starters, only certain people in the area where she was wanting to target the specific advice, it'd only be applicable to that area, right? She can't sell this to Germany or the US, which is one of the biggest markets in the world. You can only sell it in that little market. So I said, it's probably not going to work. What you want to do is you want to stay away from the small products, okay, made locally. You want to go after the products that are household items. When I say household items, I don't mean spatulas and kitchen appliances. I mean you go after house items that the whole world needs and that you can sell to the whole world. And that's a great thing about some of the platforms coming out these days, like Amazon and eBay, where you don't need to have the hassles of running a business. You list your product and the whole world gets to see that product. You're not just targeting one specific area. So that's the tip for today, guys. Don't go for small products, right? You want to go for something that the world needs, something that's applicable for all countries and that you can sell in all countries. My business partner, also an importer and coach, importing coach, Peter, he actually says, you wouldn't be selling razor blades in places like Afghanistan or Iraq because you're not going to make money there. It's not really applicable, is it? So, that's something. You can still sell razor blades, by the way, and shavers online, but it's not something the whole world needs, because half the Middle East, wouldn't be after that product, right? So sell something that everyone can benefit from, but something that's low competition, something that doesn't weigh a ton, but something that's got a good margin that's worth your time. Thanks for listening today, guys. My name is Alex Ryan. Tune in for more videos, and I'll talk to you real soon. See you later.